So recently, CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk, put out a one-word tweet. All he wrote in this tweet was literally, and we see an image of a dog inside a spacesuit holding a flag. Doge and wow are two more words written on the flag, and then he follows it up with another comment saying to the actual moon. And it has gone viral. Why has it gone viral? Because it has amounted to a lot of people making a lot of money. How is it happening? How can a tweet make people money? What is actually happening? We're telling you everything in this video. Okay, so before we get into how people have made money out of this, I want to explain the tweet to you because everything in this image means something in monetary terms as well. Okay, so you see the image of a dog inside a spacesuit, and we see this dog who has landed on the moon. Okay, now this dog is basically named Doge. The face of this dog you would have seen in memes across the world, and it has been going viral since many years now. There is a cryptocurrency known as Dogecoin. It has a value, and in very common market terminology, to the moon basically means that the value of a certain stock is going to now rise. So when you see the face of Dogecoin, a cryptocurrency, which is basically the face of that dog, when you see the dog on the moon basically means that Dogecoin, that cryptocurrency known as Dogecoin, the value of that is going to rise. And because of all of this, all those people who owned Dogecoins, which is a cryptocurrency, they have made a lot of money because the value of Dogecoin has shot up by over 25% after this tweet from Elon Musk went viral. Now, just to give you a background into how the Dogecoin actually came into existence, well, it started as a joke. Yes, you heard that right. It started as a joke in 2013 by two software engineers, okay, Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer. These were two software engineers who basically took the face of a Shiba Inu dog. Shiba Inu is a breed of dog in Japan. It's very famous all across Asia, and the face of this dog was actually doing the rounds in many memes even way back in 2013 when the meme culture was yet to start. So they took that face and they used it as the face of this cryptocurrency, which they named as Dogecoin, and they named the dog as Doge. And you can call it Dog, you can call it Dodge, you can call it Doge. Doge is basically how it's mostly known. So that became the inception, and that became the starting point of Dogecoin. Now, all these years later, when Elon Musk, Tesla CEO, decides to start tweeting about the Dogecoin, the value of this Dogecoin started booming. Now, it was valued, in cents, and it has seen a meteoric rise ever since Elon Musk has started talking more about it. And that is how people have started making money, and that's why it is in the news, that's why it is going viral. Now, sitting in India, can you buy Dogecoin cryptocurrency? Yes, you can. It is very much possible. We're not propagating this, we're not promoting this. It is available, that's all we're saying. So yeah, if you're interested in purchasing Dogecoins, you have many platforms from which you can purchase these Dogecoins. And there is ZebPay, there is BitBNS, there is BuyUcoin. You will need to go through a KYC process. You will need to provide your details, your name, your phone number, and then these Dogecoins can be allotted to you. But as a parting statement, we just want to say it in a meme style, staying true to the Shiba Inu dog that you see as the face of Dogecoin. Such amazing, much wow.